Hello everyone, today we are going to install the upgraded new headlights. Headlights with LED projector. It does not need to replace the bulb. We will installing it today. Let's check the effect of the headlights. In the package, it comes with installation instructions and adapter. Next, start the installation. Open the hood first. Before removing the headlights, we need to remove these screws using a socket wrench and rocker. The next step is to remove the bumper screws. We use a 10mm socket wrench. Next step is to remove the bumper. There are 2 screws in the license plate. Remove it after dismantling. Next, remove the headlight screws. 4 screws in total. Here's another screw. Next, we remove the headlights. Unplug the main plug. These LED daytime running lights have blue star sequence dual beam projectors. LED low beam secondary function. First, plug the wire of the headlight into the main plug. Take out the connecting cable for the daytime running lights. You can refer to the manual for installation. Next, install the headlight on the other side. According to the instructions, one end of the wiring harness is connected to the positive. Connect the other end to the fuse box. Large plug for daytime running lights. Small plug connects demon eye. If you don't want demon eyes, just unplug the plug. After installation, first test whether the function is normal or not. ask the function of the headlights before fix it.
사랑해요. 아저씨 도깨비예요? 아저씨 진짜 수호신 아저씨 맞는 거죠? 그럼 아저씨 이제 안 떠나는 거예요? 저 시집 갈게요, 아저씨한테. 아저씨! 완전 신기해!
나의 두 눈을 감으면 떠오르는 그 눈동자 자꾸 가슴이 시려서 잊혀지길 바랬어. 꿈이라면 이제 깨어났으면
있어 보이고 눈이 엄청 멋지고